Omusirikale wa UPDF asazeewo n'asulawo emirimu n'emmundu n'alikuyanaga nti ye ayagala kuyingira struggle kubanga ebya gavumenti bimutamidde ddala abantu babonaabona obwavu bungi ng'abantu ab'olubatu bebekusa eggwanga Uganda lwekyo n'asalawo n'ajja mu kino kya national platform n'akiyingira era ng'ayingidde ku kitebe kya national platform wali bwennyini ku yafeesi President Chagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine ng'agamba ekiri eri kifumba mutuku asazeewo ayingire struggle bajjeko Nakyamala General Kaguta Museveni ono owulira embaga.
Amazina gange nabanyataka Mumpa William Musa ndi mwana wa NRM amazina gange nabanyataka Mumpa William Musa ndi mwana wa NRM konka hata nazo munupu yantwara munupu na nenkorambi y'abantu bamwe aba NRM nkanzaire wantera yantera busa nari umukaye tari umwana we tenki namukora konka abo kuba bananatakebo kino kubakwataho gono batera buyongo abo kuba tuba kubasa polisi kwasa kubakwata bo government ne yabo o anyamba no mwana boda mwinaha no yandetaha mbwena saram na nyentire kanzo struggle kanjo ni struggle era mtien ha abo kuba twarha no kuteru MP za nzaire kutera abo kwa tero za kumkwataho tero za kumtabarza tenora mte no kumtwara wa magambo because magambo bari kumwe so polisi nyo polisi tenchi kwa kunyamba abo kwa ndi musirikare nyondo musirikare polisi tenchi kwa kunkanga yes amwe soldier mitari soldier so ko nganza MP zarem mbere nyencha kara muntu jantere nzaire ihanorare yentere nzaire ihanorare nzaire atremes mutiyambe nzaire abantu nzaire abihano bwana joni ngazo mu NUP nyuma nyataka Mumpa William nywana Musa na yes ekina kona nyona chikora mutuma gwanje because mbere ndi omustruggle ya NRM kwetimba member of parliament of Kazu, but I have changed now my mind because of Nzaire ayina sisa 7 akaru yabususi but yambe bakenye Nzaire mzee amugambire ubayata kumugambira ebinebi kunka Nzaire nasisa buli kimwe kyona kya NRM bwena joininga NUP n'umutima gwanje kanti nchergayo nango no bakureta ki na joininga NUP ako bantu abanyakore bageza na joininga because of language because they have got no. I can speak English, I can speak Uganda, I can speak any language. I can with whatever I can speak, because I've joined it because of very unfortunate slapping that has Nzaire slapped. It was an unfortunate real slapping me, an old man 45 years, because he's unattachable. Nobody, there is nowhere you can report him. He slaps you, then he goes, then he drives, then he goes, then You are the one to come and say, ah, sorry. Boss, see, thank you so much for slapping me. It's unfortunate. So that's why I've joined NUP, because NUP is a political activist that helps people power, amanga abantu gatiyambi. Nkyo najoine njira NUP kurga hati ebiro yanje byona.
Amina. Utandika story ke eyeja matakeyo ko ino bizare nabo no barabisi.
Yes. Abo bantu yorogana nabo abana banko bange bambe bagaranyo naye ebintu ebi bakora kuba mataka kwa bantu bakora eyo kato bogeza kubagamba bubaroza bo batufu naye fe bakafifi ngo wo mugamba no gamba akora bangembwa kakati banga basuba bugwini president wa NUP o basuba besi basubani bakwa mugamba ubara warara kuona kakati mbadao nankuba kubanga mbulira amazima zaire ekisaba kubanga joiniriza NUP kati nze sata wange simama wange kubanga bakozesa impunity kuturgunya abanyo Uganda abo bana basatu nzeire toyota neso tunga ba Uganda ateri chibaza kunkora no bagenda wa mpozi mzee genda kutiyamba kubanga abo bantu babinyo batukunya abantu bako bantu tubakwata ko ekyangubye kubanga ono mwana yasanze bankuba nga angubide mu kikari kye syakubenye nzeka yakube bantu bonna kubanga kuba tenenza kumkwata ko akuba kotogo oyizo kukora omugambe ko mugambe ko so kindese wano abantu barekera impunity so kindese wano NUP atsigenda kuvamu paka igasena NUP bintu byangu byona mbirese igasena yo sigenda kuvamu bade nyagara kwesimba kazo constituency sazamu genda kwesimba walala banga zere nebaganda be ekintu bo bakora kibagara bakuba bubagara kubanga talina bakwatako talina abakwata ku mukono leka kubanga bagara ekibagara kukora bakikora bagara bakuta so igase ku NUP igase ku Kyagulanyi barero paka usfa
katobo bokutte bukisibo
buno kano ka Piero yu kano ka UPDF naye buno sigenda kuddamu kubwambala
kakati ovudde majje
nagaba mudda
wagava oli retired.
Yes.
Okay.
But I was putting on these things because those symbols, because of the institution. So my decision before really NUP NAPU was my next decision, but I was just saying, should I join PLU or should I join this? But because of that trap, because of that intimidation, because of that impunity, in fact, impunity not coming from the society, it's coming from the real family, that they are intimidating people, slapping people, because for them they are untouchable. That has made me to decide to join NUP. That's my decision. I made it from the bottom of my heart. I have decided to join NUP because of that impunity, unattachable people. There's nobody who can touch them. There's nobody who can arrest them. There's nobody who can stop them. There's nobody who can at least stop them. Sorry. No. They slap you, whatever they want. That's why I'm saying to you. My advice, I'm giving those people, they should stop that being stupid. If they want slap, they should slap their children. In fact, their children, they are in UK, they don't slap them. They slap whatever they shouldn't. They are helping. They should stop that slaps, those slaps. They should stop moving all the country. For them, they are fighting for somebody who is grabbing people's lands, and yet they are the ones they are grabbing lands. Like such people in Zimbabwe, in Romania, like Toyota. For him, has made himself is a freedom fighter. He has fought, is fighting for every district that for him, because, and he is called Emma, because of fucking money they are getting. I don't know where they are getting salary. They are getting salary always from where? The is giving them money to go intimidate Ugandans. Intimidate Ugandans. Every district, they are there. For them, they are, I don't know where the budget you get. They are not member of parliament. They are not representing any constituents in this country. Because we know member of parliament legislate, represent, approval, and oversight. For them, they are no way. But for them, they are freedom fighters. For them, they are rotating all the country, intimidating people, abusing people, grabbing people's land, using counterterrorism soldiers. I don't know who is giving them those counterterrorism soldiers. So, for us, that's why I've joined NUP to fight against them, and I will fight them. If they want to arrest me, I'm here, look at headquarters, they are very okay to come and arrest me. I have started my struggle. I started very long time ago in UN. So I've started it. I'm going to fight for them, and they should stop intimidating Ugandans. Let Ugandans enjoy free and fair rights. Let Ugandans breathe. Because Ugandans will not sneeze because Toyota is coming, and Emma, and Zaire, and Sodo, and Toyota. Those are my words. And really, I'm very, I don't know how I can make, I can time it. Nyino sungu bwa manyi nyo sanga abantu abo batulugunya abanyuganda atubalina kubayamba abantu abo nyogedde ko okunkuba nze tasobola kunkuba ankuba agenda kuba akoba baana be mukazi wanaga osala kati hope baba gobe yikiru kati bayino sun kati vieni nopu kati ngende ku meeting ga president anupu secretary general anupu nyon is a bajoinis kubanga yerusun because of impunity they are applying on governance ora in our language. Yes, turhura na be sengereza munyegaiteho turwanse MP turwanse koni turwanse okutwita kubi empizanzaire n'abandi n'abagenzi that impunity bwete nitera tarokuterente NUP what national youth platform tayo abokuba abagwande ndebere ba baje kutenchi bakozere hasa bakore ki kana mbakwa saftayo office tugisa abantu NUP yewe kwenda abakubeze mpiza kumuzamu RST ana wanted RST zitakubasika sakuza mtuena bakuye kwatwa zakwatwa kuongana ni basaba youth abacyuruhura mberede abampurire abaza kundeba ahabuye nsonga yemwe yokuterwa twacyo nembwa kiteru no bana twakiteru numukaza kiteru no tera abantu
na Museveni oba wendi oba siri wote mumukirizanga bafutubalako ate mukirizanga abo abantu bonna bakozesa okubawudiisa mubatunulire temutyango omuntu yenna oba temutidde Museveni ayina emmundu emitwalo n'emitwalo temutyango omuntu yenna baganda bange
mubiwulidde temutyango omuntu yenna nono naye agambye asazeewo abiveemu ajjanjire mu struggle abeere mu kino kya National Unity Platform era nga agamba yazze yenna simbega tazze kubega tebamusindise nti agabeko byatuukiza ebigendererwa bya Museveni agamba yali ku kintu kimu kyakulanga ajjako nakyemalira kubanga abonye nnyo n'abasajja bano bulijjo abayita banne nga abeesibako sokumbe tebamwagala bamwagaliza kufa ebintu bya famire si byabannayuganda wabula bya famire byonna General Museveni byakola ne baganda byabwe nga bo family members so tebabikola lwa bannayuganda ekyo agamba kye kimumazeemu amaanyi n'agamba wateekwa okubaawo ekikyuka, eno embeera erina okukyuka tuleze ensi yaffe.